Hello student, today's topic is religion of Harappan civilization. As you know that it is difficult to say anything with certainty about the religious belief of Indus Valley people. No temples or any positive religious material has been discovered in Harappa or Mohenjo-daro. However, some of the ceilings, figurines and the images found in the ruins of the cities which help in forming some ideas about the religious belief and practices of the people. It is possible, it is probably that they had developed a complex religion based on the worship of mother goddess and animals. So the evidences which has been found from the different sites of Harappa, the first and most important evidence is of cult of mother goddess. The people worship mother goddess or earth goddess, and the deity played an important role in their religious life. A large number of the figures of mother goddess have been found. She is almost nude except for a small skirt and wearing many ornaments, and her head dress looks like a fan. She embodies the idea of Shakti, the divine power. People believed in female energy as the source of all certain criteria. John Marshall named it as Mahadevi. The second worshipping god was Shiva. A male god was also worshipped by the Indus Valley people. On a seal, we find a three-faced figure sitting cross-legged in the posture of a yogi, wearing a horned head dress surrounded by animals such as elephants, tigers, and buffaloes. The figure is identified as Lord Shiva, who in later literatures is described as Mahayogi and Pashupati. This view is further strengthened by the discovery of a large number of pieces of stone which look exactly like the Shivlinga, the popular form in which he is worshipped universally. Animal worship. The Indus Valley people also worshipped animals like the bull, the tiger, the goat, the rhinoceros, the crocodile, and the snake. They also worshipped mythical and demigods. Some semi-gods are shown with a body of a man with hoofs and tails of bulls and closely resemble the demigods worshipped in Sumeria. Some of the animals worshipped by the Indus Valley people later taken on became the vahanas or vehicles of some Hindu gods. Thus, buffaloes became the vahana of Yama, and tiger of Kali, the elephant of Indra, and the bull of Shiva. Now, the next, worship of trees. The people of Indus Valley also worship trees. One of the sacred trees was peepal tree, which continues to be an object of worship among the Hindus even today. In one of the seal, a god is seen standing surrounded by trees. The neem tree was also considered sacred. Worship of sun, fire, and water. The swastika and the wheel on some seals indicate the worship of God Sun. Likewise, there are an indications from the seals that fire was also worshipped. No positive indication has been found about the worship of the rivers. Some writers suggest that the great bath at Mohenjo-daro was a temple of God river. Priest king. The archaeologists have found a statue which they have labeled as priest king. They have found a parallel in the Indus Valley, but as we do not understand the rituals practices of the Indus Valley people, we have no means to know whether the priest king performed any religious ceremonies or they held any political power. So, in this way, we can say that the people of Indus Valley civilization were believed in many gods and many forms of the goddess. Along with the particular imaginary god and goddesses, they also believed and worshipped the natural objects like sun, water, trees, animals, and so many.